Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating obvious network factors so you don't chase ghosts. First, check Riot server status and your ISP. If servers are down, wait. Next, restart your router and PC, then relaunch Valorant. This clears transient issues. Plug an Ethernet cable for a stable link and disable VPNs or proxies. Once done, briefly stop third-party firewalls and antivirus to test connectivity. If the game connects, you know a security app is blocking ports and can adjust settings. Now you focus on routing and system-level fixes that actually restore packets. Update or reinstall your network adapter drivers to remove corruption and ensure proper handshake. Then, open or forward Valorant ports on your router so game traffic isn't dropped. Think UDP first, with specific Riot ranges. After that, reset WinSock and flush DNS to clear stale routing entries. These commands rebuild network stacks and can fix authentication failures. Make sure to reboot after changes. Without that, new settings may not apply correctly. Finish with advanced steps to isolate stubborn problems and recover play. You should reinstall Riot Vanguard and run Valorant as administrator to ensure kernel-level components load correctly. If issues persist, test the game over a mobile hotspot. This tells you whether your home ISP or router is the culprit. Collect traceroute or ping plots showing packet loss and latency, then share them with your ISP or Riot support. If nothing helps, keep one key tip. Log exact timestamps and error codes. They speed up a resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.